Good day, says Professor Will, CBMD PhD. And today's Tuesday, August 3rd, 2021. It is 3:13 and 58 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, Ebola virus. So let's hop to it here. Host proteins that impair. Ebola virus infection identified. Date August 2nd, 2021. Source, Georgia State University. There are several proteins that have been identified in hosts that interact with Ebola virus and primarily function to inhibit the production of viral genetic material in cells and prevent Ebola virus infection, according to a new study. The Zaire Ebola virus, or Ebola virus, an RNA virus pathogen that belongs to the filovirus family, causes outbreaks of severe disease in humans. The public health threat has produced outbreaks where reported case fatality rates ranged up to 90%. The West Africa Ebola virus epidemic from 2013 to 2016 resulted in more than 28,000 infections and more than 11,000 deaths. And 4 outbreaks occurred in the Democratic Republic of Congo from 2017 to 2021, and Ebola virus reemerged in Guinea in 2021. The study identified several host proteins that interact with the Ebola virus protein, VP30, which plays a critical role in initiating viral transcription. The host proteins RBBP6, HNRNPL, and PEG10 inhibit viral RNA synthesis and Ebola virus infection. Another host protein, HNRNPUL1, has the opposite effect and enhances viral RNA synthesis and Ebola virus infection. These findings are remarkable because we typically think of Ebola virus as growing uncontrolled in infected people. The research data show that the cells contain multiple proteins that target the same viral interface to slow virus gene expression and replication. Researchers hope that these findings will enable them to develop new ways to prevent or treat Ebola virus infections. Good day, says Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.